Hi there. Good morning. Today I have a fruit salad recipe for you. It is so quick and so easy. It only has 3 ingredients. And there's no measuring spoons, measuring cups. Just mix it up in one bowl. Put it in a really pretty bowl if you're going to set it on your table. It's delicious and so easy. So first thing you're going to need is an 8-ounce block of cream cheese. And you want to go ahead and put it in your bowl and kind of soften it like I've done here. It takes about 30 minutes maybe to soften it. It's real easy. Okay, then you need 2 15-ounce cans of fruit cocktail. Any brand works. I happen to have Chestnut Hill, came from the Family Dollar. You just, first thing you want to do is drain it, and then just add it to your bowl. And stir it up. It's going to have a little bit of juice that wasn't drained, and that's okay. You just kind of want to drain it out as much as you can without taking all day or having to put it through a strainer. You just mix it up with the cream cheese. It mixes real easy when your cream cheese has been softened. And the little bit of liquid that's in the fruit salad helps to soften the cream cheese even more. Mix it up really well. Get all the lumps out of it. The cream cheese lumps, not the fruit lumps. You want those. My grandmother used to make this. Then my mother made this. Then I make this. And I think my daughter makes it too. So it's a really good recipe. And probably you've heard of it before. You've probably done it before. Everybody uses a little different. You can add probably fresh fruit if you want to. And cherries, things like that. Okay, open your bag of marshmallows. And I dump about half of them in first. Go ahead and mix those with the cream cheese and the fruit salad. Mix it all up. It's so creamy, so good. That's a light, easy, yummy dessert for any occasion. You could, like I said, you can add cherries to it or your favorite fruits to it. I like to use the canned fruits best. I guess you could do it any way you want. Delicious. I've got that mixed. I'm going to add the rest of my marshmallows. And mix. What you want to do is make sure that your cream cheese mixture coats all the marshmallows and all the fruit. Real simple. Just takes a little mixing, that's all. But not a lot of fuss. And I love that it's just 3 ingredients. You can keep that on hand. Cream cheese lasts a long time if you don't open it up. So you could keep that on hand too. All the other things are easy. Here's what you have. It's absolutely delicious. I hope you'll try it. I think you'll like it. Thanks for tuning in. Bye-bye.